Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. We are up with a new video. Today, we are going to discuss finding a solution for quick and small financial needs minus $100 loans instant app. Although $100 loans may seem very small and not significant, there will be times when you need that $100 for a quick financial solution. Getting these loans is easy, fast, and instant. We just need to select the right $100 loan instant app. So, in today's discussion, we are going to discuss these best $100 loan instant apps and more. To visit the official websites of these lending platforms, follow the links in the description below. Top 5 $100 loan instant app. So now you have decided that you want the $100 instant loan. What are the best platforms to get for? You don't have to worry about it. We have filtered through a ton of online instant loan apps and handpicked 5 of the best ones that you can get loans from. And here are those. Jungle Finance. Jungle Finance offers hassle-free, easy payday loans and also with low interest rates. Jungle Finance has a straightforward application process. They will make sure they have timely fund disbursement, making it easy to manage financial emergencies. They offer loans up to $5,000, and the repayment period can go up to 48 months, and the interest rates can go in between 5.99% to 35.99%. They have a fast application process and also high approval rates for borrowers who are looking for quick cash. Viva Payday Loans. Next on the list, we have the Viva Payday. It offers quick and flexible loans for borrowers. Viva Payday loans are known for their competitive rates and customer satisfaction. They will make sure that their borrowers have an easy and quick borrowing experience. You can get loan amounts between $100 to $5,000, and the repayment periods can be changed according to the lender's rules and regulations. At Viva Payday Loans, they have a 24-hour funds withdrawal process, which can come in handy for people who want immediate cash. Big Buck Loans. Big Buck Loans offers large loans quickly and efficiently. It is perfect for those who need large loans faster. Their application process is seamless with high approval rates. Although the interest rates may change, usually, the interest rate will be between 5.99% to 35.99%. Also, Big Buck Loans have an easy application process that can be completed by the borrowers in simple steps. However, to be eligible, you need to have a $1,000 monthly income, an active bank account, and no recent bankruptcies. Then, you can easily apply for loans at the Big Buck Loans platform. Green Dollar Loans. Moving on, we have Green Dollar Loans in our list of $100 loan instant apps. Green Dollar Loans are a great option for borrowers who are looking to borrow responsibly. The process is simple and quick, with approval times usually within hours. At Green Dollar Loans, you can get loan amounts of up to $5,000 in a long repayment period. However, the repayment period might change according to the lender's rules and regulations. The application process at Green Dollar Loans is also pretty straightforward to apply for. Credit Clock Loans. Finally, we have Credit Clock Loans, one of the fastest and most reliable loan lending services with transparent terms and conditions. Their user-friendly platform ensures a hassle-free experience, making them ideal for quick financial transactions. The loans at Credit Clock range between $100 to $5,000 with terms ranging between 3 to 24 months, and the interest rates are also competitive. You can get the best loans at low-cost interest rates through an easy and quick application process. How to apply for a $100 loan instant app. So those were some of the best $100 loan instant apps that we could pick. Make sure to check out those if you need money. Now, let's know how you can quickly and easily apply for these $100 loans. Let's get into it. So, to start, you first need to evaluate your current financial situation. Calculate what kind of money can get you out of your financial worries and if you can get the type of money from your present condition. Based on it now, you need to select a lending platform that can help you get your loan amount faster and easier. Make sure to select the one that is best suited to your current financial situation. Once you select the lending platform, you have to go to that respective lending platform and then select your loan amount and complete your registration form. Then, you will connect with a potential lender after your application verification is complete. You will agree on a lengthy agreement that includes the loan amount, interest rates, terms, etc. Make sure to double check the agreement, and after you understand the terms and conditions, then agree to the agreement. That's it, you are done. Once the agreement is done, you just need to wait for the money to be disbursed into your registered bank account. Conclusion: there you have it, the complete information about the $100 Instant app. Before we end your video, let's have a quick recap. Well, $100 Instant apps are a great solution for people who want small loans quickly for small financial needs. The application process is simple, and it will be quickly deposited into the registered bank account of the borrowers. To visit the official websites of these lending platforms, follow the links in the description below. But before you take out the loan, make sure to select the right lending platform that makes it easy to withdraw your money. That's it for today's video. See you in the next one.